Today is day 7 and there's 19 days left until Christmas. Today's video is going to be Christmas movie night snacks. First, I'm going to pop a couple bags of popcorn. Next, I'm going to add the popcorn into this festive container. Next, I added the viral Christmas tree cake dip. Make sure to check out yesterday's video to get the full recipe on that. Next on my tray, I'm going to add some Teddy Grahams to the top. Then I'm going to add some pretzels to the other side. Next, I'm going to add these Christmas chocolate chip cookies to the bottom of the tray. Next, I'm going to add these Christmas Funfetti cake cookies to the other side of the tray. Next, I'm going to add some candy. I have some Cadbury mini snowballs. I put that into a little ramekin. Next, I have some Nerds gummy clusters that I put into a ramekin as well. Here's an overview of the Christmas movie night snacks.